two industry giants in online freelancing go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Upwork, the largest global freelance marketplace. And on the right, Freelancer.com, a flexible platform for one-off and contest-based work. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Alright, here's the lay of the land. Here's every category I'll be looking at to compare Upwork versus Freelancer.com. So fees and pricing, because yeah, who wants to lose money to crazy commissions? Talent pool and quality, are you gonna get top-notch pros or just folks winging it? Safety and dispute stuff, will they really have your back? Project management features, and of course, what do actual users say in the reviews and reputation department? Let's just pop those onto our mind map and then take them one by one. So kicking off with fees and pricing. First, Upwork. Now Upwork has this sliding commission thing, and honestly it can feel not super intuitive. You start at 20% for your first $500, it drops to 10% for the next $9,500 and then goes down to 5% over 10K. Sounds fairish, but if you add up all the extra stuff, paying for proposal connects, plus monthly membership for enhanced perks, the actual cost can creep up to around 16 or even 18% when all's said and done. Ouch, right? But yeah, Upwork does give you pretty solid payment protection with escrow and actual hourly tracking. Now, on the other side, Freelancer.com, they just do a flat 10% commission for freelancers on projects, which is way easier to get your head around. Clients usually pay even less, just 3% or $3 per payment. And unlike Upwork, bidding is open, no need to buy tokens for each proposal. And it's a big but, there are all these sneaky add-on fees. Like if you want extra visibility or a username change or even an NDA attached, you pay up. Account's been inactive? Yep, that could cost you too. So in the end, Freelancer.com kinda feels more affordable upfront, especially if you just want to jump in for a contest or one-off job. So I'd say it wins on the pricing for most people. Next, let's talk talent pool and quality. First up, Upwork definitely owns the bragging rights here. The talent pool is massive, like over 18 million freelancers. They've also got some serious vetting. You can qualify as top-rated or even expert vetted if you're established. It's honestly best for folks who want to build a long-term freelance career or need experts for complex projects. Downside? That vetting process can get pretty annoying for newbies trying to get started, and no joke, it's super competitive. Tons of proposals get sent out, only a tiny slice gets accepted. Now, switching gears, Freelancer.com. Here, basically anyone can join and start bidding. It's way more open. That makes it awesome for entry-level work, quick gigs, or contest-style jobs, but let me be real, the quality varies a lot. Some profiles just sit there inactive and clients have to weed through everyone to find their gem. So while it's chill for getting started, Upwork just delivers on consistent, higher quality talent. Though Upwork kinda steals this round. Alright, up next, safety, support, and disputes. Upwork's setup is pretty robust. You've got escrow for fixed price, a tracker for hourly, and if you're on those higher-end plans, you get talent success managers. Live chats there too. But I've seen loads of feedback saying their customer support can be slow or, less than helpful. Plus, their dispute refund system tends to lean in favor of freelancers, so clients might have a tougher time if something goes south. Now, Freelancer.com offers escrow and milestone payments too, which is great for peace of mind. Their support team actually has a decent reputation on Trustpilot, which, yeah, is saying something. But when it comes to disputes or arbitration, especially for smaller gigs, things can get messy. Support's mostly through community forums or tickets, so not as hands-on in urgent moments. So Upwork gets the edge for project safety features, but it's not perfect, just a little ahead of Freelancer.com here. Oh, and here's something kinda wild. Did you know Upwork was actually born from a merger between Alliance and Odesk back in 2015? That's why the crowd is so massive. Honestly, it's shaped how modern freelancing works. Project management and features. So what do you get for running your freelance hustle? With Upwork, you're getting a pretty loaded suite. In-app messaging, robust proposals, actual time tracking, file sharing, milestones. Everything you'd want if you're looking to handle a complex or ongoing project right there on the platform. Collaboration feels smooth. But, and here comes my hesitation, some of these features like visibility or proposal connects are tucked behind paywalls. A little annoying unless you're really investing. On freelancer.com, things are more, basic. You've got messaging, you've got milestones, but it's clearly designed for fast transactions and contest-style gigs. So, if you just want to put up a project and hire someone quick, it works. The tracking tools, though, kinda barebones compared to Upwork's. So Upwork wins on features mostly because it's geared for bigger, ongoing work. Freelancer is great for quick hits but doesn't have those pro tools. Alright, last major category, reviews and reputation. You'd think Upwork is miles ahead because, big brands use it and it's been the go-to spot for remote work careers for a while now. But here's the twist: recently, users are a little salty about the fees and declining value, plus, it's dropped behind freelancer.com on Trustpilot scores. Kinda surprising, right? Over at freelancer.com, reviews are actually more positive. 4.5 out of 5 on Trustpilot in 2025, with lots of love for customer support and just how many different job types there are. But it's not all roses. Some folks complain about arbitration, account bans, and fund holds. Still, it edges out Upwork in pure user ratings, so for reputation and reviews, freelancer.com sneaks ahead. Let's stack up what we just learned side by side, picture all those pros and quirks on a chart, and yeah, you can see Upwork dominates in talent quality, management, and project safety, but gets crushed on pricing and reputation lately. Freelancer.com scores big on affordable, quick jobs and happier reviews. If you're visual like me, this kinda helps clarify who wins in each major category. So here's my genuine take. If you're setting up high-end projects, want long-term relationships, or need premium freelance talent, Upwork still holds the crown even if the fees make you wince. But if you're all about fast jobs, one-off contests, or saving cash, freelancer.com is the bargain bin that actually surprises you, especially in 2025. Don't sign up blindly. Dig into each platform's fees and see which mode fits your style. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.